Hello, welcome to Stats 220. I just want to give you an introduction tour to the course. You'll type in mypath.kcs.edu and you'll log in and it'll open this screen here at MyPath. You click on this link, Blackboard, and it'll bring you to Blackboard, elearning.kcs.edu. And here you got all kind of options to explore. You'll click on your courses. Your list of courses will be different than mine, but if you go to the one that says Stats 220, that'll be this course. So you click on that one. I'll switch to student preview, so we'll see it how you'll see it. So Stats 220 statistics. Across the top you have different links. We're currently in the course content page. You have the calendar where you can look at due dates, switch to monthly view, and then it'll show you due dates here. You click on those, and let's see if we scroll down, it'll show you all the assignments due on that particular day. We have announcements. I've not made any announcements yet, but you'll find announcements here. I'll start first day of class. Discussion board, we have 5 discussion boards, and you can access them here or through the weekly folders. 2 ways to access these. First one's due on September the 1st, where you introduce yourself. Grade book, there are 2 grade books. Here's one grade book, a Blackboard grade book, and then there's a MyLab Math grade book I'll show you in a minute. You have messages. You can send me a message and I'll receive an email copy of it. I'd prefer you just use the email as opposed to this message as PeopleSoft email. So under course contents, where you spend most of your time, on the left here, I guess the only thing I'll point out is you got class grab rate. If you want to meet with me online, we can join a session. You got to schedule that ahead of time, and we can meet online. Or you can schedule appointments, meet with your peers in the class. The first module you'll find is a start here, kind of introduction to the class. You got an online orientation. You want to complete that. It's located here and in the week 1 folder. You have these 3 links: course info, student support, technical support. Under course info, you have the schedule and the syllabus. Click on the schedule. It gives you all the assignments. You can download it, or here it is each week with the what's due and due date here. Syllabus contains all kind of important information about the class. Here's information about me, how to contact me, my phone number, email. Course overview about the class. So I encourage you to come in here and explore this material. I'm not going to go through it all. Tutoring during the semester, if you have questions, here's information about the learning space. You can contact me for tutoring, or you can schedule an appointment. Learning space, I'm not sure if they'll have any tutors for statistics. We'll have to see, but you can schedule an appointment for in-person or online here. Also, that you have something called Brain Views. You don't have to schedule an appointment here. You just come in here. You got to register the first time, and you get tutoring 24/7. And I know they tutor in statistics, so you get help anywhere, anytime. So then we have our unit modules. Let's see, we have unit 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then we have one more module there I'll talk about in a minute. So here's through the 19th through the 8th, topics we'll be covering, the first 2 chapters. It's just a unit overview, tells you what's in this module. Then you have week 1, 2, 3, and you have the second grade book. You have 2 grade books in here. You have the lab statistics grade book, and you have the Blackboard grade book. This grade book reflects any work you've done immediately. The grade book at the top, Blackboard grade book, it's delayed. My lab statistics grade book, the one here, instantly reflects any work completed, while Blackboard grade book, it can take up to a day for it to sync. And they do, the Blackboard gradebook automatically assigns 0 to late work, while this one does not. So you got 2 gradebooks. Here's what's due week 1, the 25th. These items too. The online orientation, you want to go there. It talks about how to navigate, introduction to many things about KCTCS. After you complete this, you'll get an email of completion. And then once you get that email, you want to take a picture or a screenshot, and you want to submit it here. Okay, so here's an assignment. It's just a picture of that email. You just come in here, you click on, you want to come in, here's instructions on how to do a screenshot if you're not familiar with that. A couple questions to answer, but you come down here and here's where you'll answer the questions. And basically you click on this link and this link, and you can attach that picture of your email and answer these questions here. That'll be the first thing you'll do. You need to submit a picture of your photo ID. This could be your driver's license or school ID. Just make sure it's a clear picture where I can see your face and read your name on the ID. I may be using that, to verify who you are with the final exam. Here's some hints on how to be successful in this class. I encourage you to read that document. Here's some important information about the syllabus quiz, final review, and final, particularly the final exam. So you want to read this information. It tells you all about the final. Pay particular attention to these first few paragraphs. Important information about the final exam. Then you're going to take a quiz, syllabus quiz, just a few questions. The main thing here is make sure Respondus works with your computer setup. Get it working here at the beginning of the semester. If you're having trouble with Respondus, here's help with that. And you have 4 assignments due this first week. These assignments won't be available until after you complete the online orientation, and I have to grade it. So you got to complete it, submit it, and I've got to grade it. And I'll try to be quick, grade it within a day, and then these links will become available where you can do the homework. So that's the week 1. Week 2, all we have here, we have homework, 3 homeworks, then we got the first discussion board. Here's a rubric that tells you how I'm going to grade that discussion board. You have week 3, tells you what to do, I guess, the first test. Then here, I think I mentioned this Grade My Lab Statistics Gradebook. So that's Unit 1. Then we have 4 units with homework. The last one has the final exam in it. Look, the last one here has final review and the exam. Then this is the alternative way to access the homework, grade book, all the other information. So you can come in here. This includes links to the homework, 2 ways to access the homework, grade book, StatCrunch, which you may want to start using about Chapter 2. Here we can access the textbook and multimedia and just all kind of stuff you want to explore, perhaps. And we have technical support in case you're having problems. So, if you have any questions or problems, just email me or call me. I'll be happy to help.